How to make chicken and orange sauce. First, chop the spring onion. Chop, chop, chop. Next, chop up your garlic. Chop, chop, chop. Next, we prepare chicken. 1 breast per person. You want to take skin off and cut. Nice even slice. Lovely jubbly. Next, we cut chili. You add as much as you can handle. Next, we prepare the chicken. Coat each sliced chicken in corn flour. Like this. Once all chicken coated, set to side. Crack 2 eggs into a bowl. Scramble up. Perfect. Heat wok or chip fire with oil for 3-4 minutes until very hot. Now to cook the chicken. Lift corny chicken and cover it with egg. Once covered, put into oil. Fry chicken until nice golden color. Once chicken is lovely and golden, you want to take out and set to drain. Like this. Perfect. Next, we make orange sauce. Get 1 teaspoon of corn flour into a cup. Add in some orange juice. We use Fanta. Add small amount to bottom of cup and stir. Add some more. Half cup will do. Next, we add 1 tablespoon of oil to saucepan. Add in your chili, garlic, and cook it up. Once cooked, add in your orange and corn flour mix. Let simmer for 30 seconds, then add in spring onion. Once sauce looks like this, it is ready. Nice and thick. Next, you serve. Put chicken and rice on plate, then pour over yummy sauce. Like this. Lovely jubbly.